Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When selecting a mobile banking solution, understanding the key features and services of platforms like USAA Mobile and US Bank Mobile Banking is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Banking features. Understanding core banking features helps evaluate each platform's usability and benefits. USAA Mobile includes mobile check deposit, funds transfer, budgeting tools. It also offers military-specific benefits like early direct deposit for military pay. US Bank Mobile Banking features mobile bill pay, account alerts, and access to loans and credit cards. Fees. Examining the fee structures is crucial for cost-conscious users. USAA Mobile generally offers low fees, with no monthly maintenance fees for checking accounts. However, there may be fees for certain services like overdrafts and wire transfers. US Bank Mobile Banking offers various account options, some with no monthly fees if specific criteria are met. There may be fees for some specific services. Money transfers. Both platforms facilitate easy money transfers, but their approaches vary. USAA Mobile supports person-to-person payments, as well as internal transfers between USAA accounts. US Bank Mobile Banking facilitates quick and easy money transfers for person-to-person payments and supports internal transfers between US Bank accounts. Savings and interest. Saving features and interest rates are important for growing your money. USAA Mobile offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. It also provides savings tools and automatic transfer options to help users build their savings. US Bank Mobile Banking provides a range of savings accounts and CDs with competitive interest rates. The platform includes savings tools and goal-setting features to assist users in managing their savings effectively. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. USAA Mobile provides 24/7 customer support via phone, secure messaging, and chat. The support team is well versed in handling the unique needs of military members and their families. US Bank Mobile Banking offers customer support through phone, email, and chat. US Bank also has a wide network of branches for in-person assistance. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing finances on the go. USAA Mobile. The app is highly rated for its comprehensive features, including insurance services, investment management, and military-specific tools. US Bank Mobile Banking. The app is praised for robust features, such as financial insights, goal-setting tools, and seamless integration. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers and bonuses can add value for new users. USAA Mobile occasionally offers promotions such as cash bonuses for new accounts, special rates for loans, and exclusive offers for military members. US Bank Mobile Banking frequently provides promotions like cash bonuses for opening new accounts, special loan rates, and rewards for new credit card sign-ups. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. USAA Mobile specifically targets military members and their families, offering tailored services and benefits that cater to their unique financial needs and lifestyle. US Bank Mobile Banking serves a broad audience, including individuals, families, and businesses, offering a wide range of financial products and services to meet diverse needs. Conclusion. Both USAA Mobile and US Bank Mobile Banking offer comprehensive services and features tailored to different user needs. USAA Mobile is ideal for military members and their families, providing specialized benefits and services. US Bank Mobile Banking, with its wide range of account options and robust features, caters to a broader audience. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.